I'm in a shower doing an inspection, and glazing installed in the walls or enclosures that contain or face a shower or bathtub or whirlpool, where the bottom exposed edge of the glazing is less than 60 inches, measured vertically above any standing or walking surface, is considered to be in a hazardous location. Now, each pane of glazing installed in a hazardous location like this must have a permanently applied designation, like a label, specifying who applied the designation, the type of glass, the safety glass, and the glazing standard. And it must be visible on every piece of glass during the inspection. Now, the crazy thing is glass blocks are not considered glazing. Glass blocks are considered masonry units, just like brick, tile, stone, concrete blocks. And glass blocks are non-load-bearing masonry units made out of glass with mortar. So glass masonry units are unique because they're permitted for use in non-bearing conditions, non-bearing load conditions. And glass blocks may be either solid or hollow, standard or thin, and installed with mortar. The thin ones are at least 3 1/8 inch thick for hollow units and 3 inches for solid units. And the standard ones are at least almost 4 inches, 3 7/8 inches thick. Refer to the 2021 IRC section 607 glass masonry units for more information about having glass blocks in a shower just like this. But this is glazing, and each of these pieces of glass are etched with identification as safety glazing. So we're good. I'm good in this shower. I think I'm gonna get out now.